Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a fully fleshed image background removal editor similar to Canva. It's directly run directly in the browser using AI models. We are directly using AI models inside our React.js application. So this is actually the demo right here. You will see I selected a bunch of images and it actually removed the background of the image. And you can even put a background color on side your image, or you can even put a customize the background image of the. You can just see here the background is successfully removed, and this is a complete React.js application. If you see, we are using the latest version of React, and for building this we are using some AI models such as ONX runtime web, Hugging Face, transformer.js. So we are using this. So the application is divided into its components. So we are running this application in the browser localhost. It's also very easy for you to deploy this as well. And if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase this application. Let me show you the demo and start from scratch. So here you actually select a bunch of images that you want to remove the background. So we select these two images, and now the models will load and it will process each image and remove the background. And this will just take a small amount of time to process each image, and it doesn't have a backend. All the code is directly executing it directly in the browser, and instantly it will remove the background of the images. And after that you can customize this image once it processed successfully. So now you can see the background is successfully removed. You can actually put a background color. It's a fully fleshed editor. You can even blur out the image as well. You can even put a different image as a background area as well. So you can just see the background is successfully removed here. And then you can click save changes and you can download your image. So in this easy way, you can actually remove background from images. So it's a bulk image background removal application inside React.js. You can just see here the background is successfully removed and it has been replaced. So we are using this AI models here, ONX runtime web, uh, Hugging Face, transformer. So it's a fully fledged application. So it's fully customizable as well. So once you purchase the source code, you will be able to run this application and also customize the source code as well. So now it takes some time, but ultimately the application works. Some for some images it takes larger time to actually for the AI model to detect the background. You can just see the background is fully removed, and now you can customize it. Just change the background image, or you can put a background image as well. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase this application.